I changed my channel because I got constant grief on the other one from YouTube. So even though I had 2,000 subscribers, met the criteria, never going to get monetized, I transferred the handle to another channel I had, which has about 20 subscribers, I think. But at least I can post it without the existing grief. This is the view from inside my hammock with my oven ready. The oven ready thing, this tinfoil blankie job, is basically 2.5 meters by 2 meters, and it keeps out all the wind. But you do notice it when you get a bit of a gap. But yeah, it fits all the way around you, gives you a nice little cocoon, and yeah, it keeps out the wind. You just got to remember that when you roll over, don't lie on it too much, otherwise it'll rip. That's how the last one died, and this one's a lot thinner. But yeah, it's brilliant. All you got to do is hook your feet over the end of it to make sure you've got the length coverage, and yeah, it does a really good. I mean, because of the insulation factor on it, it's only got a thin bit of foam, very thin bit of foam. But yeah, this would be really great, even in like high wind, high weather. This would be a massive thing to keep out the cold, keeping the warmth. You really notice it when you don't have it on you. It makes a massive difference. So yeah, this is my setup. And at some point